Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hey YouTube, it's me Lashon, and I am at the VA in Jacksonville, Florida. And I just got my eyes dilated. Whoop, 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 whoop. See that? So my eyes are dilated. And then I'll go back in for part 2. And I just stopped and got my coffee. And I'm gonna sit outside and take in this beautiful Jacksonville, Florida weather. Oh, that's cream. It's not as hot as I thought it'd be. I'm gonna take a couple more sips and then I'll do story time. My eyes still hurt. Oh, Jesus. Put these back on. Okay. So I am back, YouTube. And today we're sitting outside at the VA waiting on appointment number 2. I sometimes when I come here, I do double appointments because it's such a full-time situation. Okay, this is what I want to talk about today. Our best laid plans. Because if you watch my YouTube channel, you know that I'm always planning things. I'm always writing stuff down. I'm always trying to figure out exactly what my days shall encompass. I go by list, blah, 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 blah. So we need to talk about best laid plans. You know why? Because everything that could go wrong did go wrong today. Okay. Okay, first off, I got up this morning And I knew I had 2 appointments, everything all situated. So I decided I'm gonna pack a lunch, because whenever I have appointments like this, one sip, I pack a lunch because I know it's gonna be a long day. And so I try to make sure that if I get hungry, I'll have something. They do have what they call a canteen here. That's where I got the coffee from, but it's a little expensive. And I don't even buy the juice there, but I have in the past, and I will if I have to. So I packed a lunch. I made a turkey and cheese sandwich, and I put a piece of lettuce on the side. I didn't put it on the sandwich so it wouldn't get soggy, but then I cut up 1 orange, put it in my little container, and I put a bottled water in there. And then I said, well, I'm gonna try to drink the water, but I'll probably get a juice, because they got all the different like ocean sprays, like crayon apple, crayon grape, different things like that. And so most of the time I pay for that. It's like $2, and that's a little steep, but I'll pay it. But a sandwich here is like $3.50, and if you get something to drink, you're spending $7. And I'm like, really? I can get everything in my fridge for that sandwich for $7. I got my loaf of bread for $1, my pack of cheese for $1, my turkey was $3, and the head of lettuce was $1 and something. So for $7, I can eat for a couple of meals. So I'm not really one for spending money when I don't have to. And you very rarely see me eat any type of restaurant food. What you do see me eat a lot of is salad. And those are the Zaxby salads, and I get those once a week. My son, when he comes over, always brings me a Zaxby grilled cheese, not grilled cheese, a Zaxby's grilled chicken with extra cucumbers. That's how you say it. With no cheese. You have to tell them no cheese. Because if not, they're going to sprinkle all that cheese in your salad, and I can't. I just don't do the cheese in the salad anymore. So that's back to my best laid plan. So my best laid plans was that I'd have the lunch. I'll come out here, and then at this point while I'm talking to you now, I would be eating my lunch, and then I'll go back in, do my second appointment, and the day will go smoothly and I won't cough up any dough. Well, I'm just gonna do the coffee this morning. Well, it's almost afternoon. I'm just gonna do the coffee and just wait till I get home, because at this point, I'm not finna spend all that money to get a sandwich. And they don't have lunch sandwiches. They have like breakfast. They have Canadian bacon sandwich. They have a regular bacon sandwich. They have a sausage biscuit. And they all are biscuits or croissants or one of those. But they do have fruit bowls. And they do have like a small salad, like that Santa Fe salad that I like. But it's twice the price of, okay, if I would get it from Walmart. Good morning. For example, I get a Santa Fe salad from Walmart, and it's $2.60. I think it's $2.67, something like that. But it's $3.50 here for the little salad, and it's not even Santa Fe. They only got Caesar, and they got an egg salad, and I make it a point of not getting egg sandwiches unless I know exactly when the egg was made. So a lot of stuff is way too expensive, and I could just wait till I get home. The second part of this appointment is going to be really quick. But I thought I'd take a moment to talk about best laid plans, because you just have to laugh. You got to laugh it through. Because I completely planned out this appointment today. I've had it on the calendar for over a month. I knew I had this appointment. I knew I had to make my lunch. I could have made my lunch last night, but by making it this morning, it threw me off. I was going to do it last night, but what happened was I got distracted because my nap got cut off. I know what it was. My plan was when I got up from my nap, I was going to, you know, get my whole dinner situation together and then go ahead and do the lunch for tomorrow and just put it back in the fridge. But I got distracted. I overslept. When my son came in, Patrick came in, I saw him with that bag. I thought he had my grilled chicken salad. He was like, no, Ma, I didn't bring you no salad. I went, what? I told him, I'm getting way too spoiled because every time I see you, I think of Zaxby's. And every time I see you, I think of my salad. Okay? And he laughed. So the best laid plans are not always written out. And even coffee. You can make coffee in your Keurig, right? As long as you got a good thermal mug, that coffee will stay warm for a couple hours. So usually I'll get the thermal and I'll make a large, because you know you can go small, medium, large on your Keurig. And so I like strong coffee, so I always put small so it'll be stronger. And I'll do 2 K-cups so it'll be strong enough. And then pour it in my container before JTA comes to get me. And then I can sip on my coffee while I wait for the first appointment. That's how I usually do it. Nothing went according to plan. Nothing went according to plan. I put the Keurig on, and it was saying it needed water. And then I realized it was water in there, but I haven't used that Keurig in 2 days. Now, I don't know about everybody else, but I don't like for the water to sit in the side canister. Bacteria grow so fast. I don't know if it's growing or not. But I pulled it out, put some more water in, and then clicked it so it'd come back on. But what happened was it didn't come back on. I came back in the kitchen like 15 minutes later, and my coffee wasn't done. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Then I got an alert on my phone that the JTA was out there waiting on me. So best laid plans. So I bought my coffee this morning. It's not gonna break me too bad. Besides, they make some really good coffee. It's really, really good. And so don't be upset, don't be discouraged if the things that you have planned are not falling into place. This is just a lesson. I think that God used lessons like today to teach us patience, because as my years get older, I'm having less and less patience, and I think He is sending me reminders every chance He gets for me to slow down, take in what I should be taking in, which is the beauty of Jacksonville, the beauty of this weather, and the beauty that I find in everything that I see, because everything is beautiful. But I'm so busy trying to be on time and so busy trying to do everything with a list that I'm not any fun anymore. So I have to remember that we only have one life and that we have to use our time wisely. Yes, being organized does help. I do not like chaos. I do not like disorder. but you also have to be flexible to all the things that'll happen to you on any given day. So that's it. That's just my reminder for you today. The best laid plans don't always follow through. And I'm a prime example of that. So it's almost time for me to go back in, and I'm gonna take 2 more big old swigs. Finish this coffee off. And head back in. But I just appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you for coming back day after day and supporting me here on my YouTube channel. At this time, we're gonna breathe in and breathe out to get our day started. You ready? Breathe in, breathe out. Had to catch my breath there for a minute. So wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you going roller skating tonight, okay? Wherever you headed today, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And remember, there is always somebody worse off than you. So be grateful and be thankful that you woke up this morning, that you can see these beautiful birds out here, that you can see these full-grown trees, and have a wonderful day. So that's just my reminder for you every day when I come on here, to look for the good in all things. So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.